Guangzhou Disen Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited. We are located in Guangzhou, which is with convenient transportation and developed economy. The company has a plant area of 1,000 square meters. We have a professional technology and after-sales team to ensure fast production and efficient after-sales service. Every year we increase investment in product research and development to update product lines. The high quality and sincere service are making the products very hot sell in domestic and foreign market. Good quality of products is our principle. Wholehearted service is our adhering to the idea. Our products are sold to more than 200 countries and regions in the world, such as Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, South America, North America, Europe, etc. During the past 28 years, our products have earned high reputation among the customers. We have established a highly trusting and deep friendship with customers in many countries. We are a large-scale foreign trade enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales, mainly engaged in the production and sales of clothing equipment, advertising equipment, and printing equipment. Our main products: computerized embroidery machine, Rhinestone fixing machine, automatic multicolor Rhinestone brushing machine, sewing machine, screen printing machine, pad printing machine, hot stamping machine, digital printing machine, heat transfer machine, and related equipments and consumables. If you want to know more about us, please contact with us at any time. We are look forward to establishing a good and long-term business relationship with you.